Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you on this Thursday from the Brooklyn home office. And I gotta say the following: I'm tired, I'm beat up, but I'm really glad about the feedback I got about my last minute video last night about the Google Reddit situation. Lots of positive feedback, almost all positive, except for one guy that gave me a thumbs down because I'm a Chelsea fan. Respect for making me laugh. The crew let me know about that. I couldn't stop laughing. I'm still laughing right now. But let's focus on the markets today. How will the Dow Jones, the S&P, the Nasdaq perform after yesterday's debacle? Let's take a look and see how the markets are shaping up. Now, U.S. stocks, they're climbing this Thursday following a sharp sell-off on Wall Street that saw the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones suffer their worst drops in 3 months. Yes, Wall Street suffering steep declines on Wednesday, the S&P and the Dow Jones posting their biggest one-day decline since October, as the speculative buying frenzy in heavily shorted stocks kept investors on edge. So much buying that trading volume exploded, with 23.7 billion shares changing hands, marking the heaviest trading day since 2007. Also on Wednesday, U.S. equity option volumes hitting a record 24.5 billion shares and 57.1 million contracts. This according to Piper Sandler. Now, GameStop in the headlines, dropping initially this morning as word of broker restrictions began to spread. Interactive Brokers and Robinhood have limited transactions for heavily shorted names, including GameStop and AMC Entertainment. Apple, meanwhile, turning in its largest revenue on record at $111.4 billion in the fiscal first quarter earnings report for 2021. Sales for every product category rose by double-digit percentage points. And then there's Tesla, dropping about 3% after the electric car maker posted worse than expected earnings for the latest quarter. And then on the data front, GDP, gross domestic product, increasing at a 4% pace in the fourth quarter, slightly below the 4.3% expected. And lastly, some advice: don't invest your money unless you do research first. Economics 101.